Hello. Today I just want to show you one of the applications I built using Claude Managed Agents. This is used for planning your diet if you're pre-diabetic or diabetic. This is just a prototype. Let me show you how it looks like, and then we'll get into some details when it's preparing the um, information, right? Okay, so this is the kind of survey we would need to provide information for the agent, and then it will use this information to actually get you a diet plan, right? So, for instance, I just give some details. Ideally, you give your information correctly, but this is just a prototype, so I'm just going to give something which makes sense. So just say 7.2. So A1C level is the level you get in your blood report, right? It is tied to your diabetes condition, right? So if it's more than 5.7, I think you are in pre-diabetic, and I think more than 8, it's diabetic, right? Uh, so let's see. So we can create diet plans based on country and our preference. So let's say I want an Indian diet, so I choose Indian diet. But if you can always choose any country, and it will be able to customize, right? So okay, this panel is a little bit interesting. So if it asks you whether it's non-veg, vegetarian, keto. So depending on your preference, you can always choose. So in my case, let's say I am a vegetarian, and then let's say I have allergies to peanuts, right? So I just choose this, and then maximum calorie, I just keep it as is. Then meals, right? If you want to spread the meals, you can only spread it throughout the day. So that's what this one is. Okay. So if there is anything you need to add, you can always add. I say spicy food, um, plant only, and to food only, vegetarian food. Okay. Oh, I think I didn't choose. Did I choose? Okay. So current medication, I choose none. Yeah. So this shows me the summary of what I chose, and then I just click on generate my plan, right? So what is happening now is you see it's preparing, plan is getting prepared, and once it's ready, we can review it. But in the background, what's happening now is you see this agent session should have been created, and you can check it right now, right? So it was created 80 seconds ago. It means this Claude Manage agent is currently working to prepare my diet plan. And once that is prepared, I should get back. So right now, I'm just running it in my local mission. So if you want to see what's happening in the background, you could see the Claude tool has triggered few web search, uh, and it's doing all the work on its own. And hopefully, once it's all done, we should get back our plan, right? So basically, I have an UI and code which is hosted in my local. That's what's happening, and it's calling the clock. Okay, hopefully you'd get it soon once the session is complete. I think it takes a minute for it to like complete. Once it's complete, we would refresh it, right? So this is basically out of the box Claude functionality, Claude manage agents, right? So in manage agents, we have uh, agent, we have sessions, environment, credit walls, and so basically we create a agent, give it an environment where it can work, and each environment is like a in Claude they call them harness. It's nothing but a place where the agents can run and execute what you need. And this is one of the sessions the agents create. So we can always check. So if once the session is complete, that means the agent is ready. Um, so what I'm doing currently is once a particular session is done, I'm deleting the session because if we keep the sessions running, um, you might need to pay for them. But it's helpful when you actually build a enterprise ready tool or automation where you need memories. Okay, if you see the session is done, so hopefully I should get my, yeah, you see, I got my agent diet plan. So it took like a couple of minutes for it to run, and it gave me everything I need for the next 7 days to start with. You can always tweak it, make it more customized, right? So this is my profile, and if I scroll down, so it gave me what should I take? I should take carb, protein, and healthy fats, and low GI ingredients uh, with low glycemic index, and it gives me as I choose an Indian diet, the Indian food. It shows me all the vegetarian Indian food in here. But if you choose a different country, a different diet plan will definitely show up, which suits your taste and your need, right? So I just need to follow these to reduce my uh, condition. And yeah, so yeah, some recommendations, what would we need to add and what you need to avoid. So these are some things we have to avoid, definitely, right? And it even gives us a grocery list of what we need to buy to make these menus available, right? It's pretty detailed. And yeah, this is what I wanted to show, and this can be helpful for different people at different points in time of their life. uh, Having a healthy diet is always the best. Okay, so the idea was to show that it's no more rocket science to build these user friendly apps in very quickly using out of the box agent features. Hope you found this interesting. Until next time we meet, thank you.